Best Tech of 2025? This video reveals the top 5 most jaw-dropping gadgets you absolutely need to see. Grab these amazing devices early. Check out the links in the description. Number 1. Apple Watch Ultra 2. This rugged smartwatch takes durability to a whole new level, perfect for adventurers and tech enthusiasts alike. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Experience the future of smartphones with this innovative foldable device, offering unparalleled versatility. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM5. Immerse yourself in crystal-clear audio with these industry-leading noise-canceling headphones. Unbelievable sound quality meets unparalleled comfort. Number 4. Google Pixel Fold. Google's entry into the foldable phone arena is a game-changer, boasting impressive specs and a sleek design. Number 5. Apple Vision Pro. Dive into the world of augmented reality with Apple's groundbreaking Vision Pro headset. This game-changing device redefines how we interact with technology. From smartwatches to foldable phones and mind-blowing AR, these gadgets will revolutionize your tech experience in 2025. Don't miss out. Click the links below to explore these must-have devices.